Hello guys, welcome back to the another video of iDempiere learning. In the previous video, we have learned about how we can create iColumn callout. Okay, we have learned about how we can create callout using iColumn callout interface and extension point. Okay, in this video, we will talk about how we can create callout using iColumn callout factories and component definition. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, so let's close this plugin. Okay, as usual, we will going to create new plugin. Okay, file new, file new other plugin project. Okay, plugin name should be like com.yt dot callout callout 2. I will give it name like 2. Okay, dot company. Okay, I want to save it in a different location. Okay, and just append this project name after the location. Okay, I want to keep this OSGI framework same as Equinox. Okay, let's click on next. This ID field, we have to give this ID field as a unique. We have to give version name and name, vendor name, and execution environment. I want to keep it is a 1.6. Okay, 1.6 Java version. Okay, click on next and finish. Okay, so our plugin is created. Now let's create our new package. Okay, click on package. I want to keep same as plugin name. Okay, let's create class name. Okay, my class name is like I callout my company callout. Okay, I want to give name like my company callout. Okay, okay, now I want to implement one interface here. Okay, I column we have to give some dependency to this plugin. Okay, so we can use that iColumn callout interface. Okay, first dependency is a base, second is a utils. Okay, base is a mandatory. Okay, utils is like good to have. Okay, iColumn callout. Okay, here I want to create my okay my intention is like okay, let's restart the server and check what I want to do with this callout. Okay, let's wait until server started. Okay, let's create new package. Okay, dot factories. Okay, here we want to create one factory class. Okay, let's create new. Okay, my company callout factory. Okay, let's say what I want to do with this callout. Okay, refresh, select role, click on OK, select a tenant as a garden word and login. Okay, okay, my intention is when I put some value in the search key, okay, then this name field should be populated. Okay, same as the previous video we have talked callout using extension point. Okay, in this video we will see callout, okay, using component definition. Okay, I want to give same name as search key. Okay, whenever I put some value here, this name field should be populated automatically. Okay, so let's write our code. Okay, let's create our factory class. Here I want to implement IColumnCalloutFactory. Okay, and implement necessary method. Okay, this method returns all our classes. Okay, whatever classes we created for callout, we can register here. Okay, this factory tells OSGI that we have this much classes for our callout, so register is using for register it in a OSGI. Okay, so let's create our variables. Okay, list of array, which is IColumnCallout list equal to new array list okay, IColumnCallouts. Okay, here I want to check like m company, sorry, YT. We have to give one dependency to this plugin. Okay, which is YT dot company model. Okay, I want to use company model here. Okay, sorry, YT company dot table name dot equals table name. Okay, and column name should be value. Okay, YT company dot value. Okay, dot equals column name. Okay, here we have to add our my company callout. Okay, my company callout class, and save. Here we have to pass our callouts. Okay, list of callouts. If we will select here, if list not equal to null, then list dot to array new ICollouts of 0, or we will return only callouts. Okay, let's save this. Okay, sorry, we have to pass here class. Okay, so factory looks good now. Okay, here we have created one variable for our callout factory. Okay, we can register as many as classes we want here. Okay, we need to check table name and column name. Okay, and we can add in the list, and we can return the list here. Okay, list like this. Okay, so okay, our factory class created. Let's write logic here. Okay, I want to write something like if m YT company dot table name dot equals and grid table name. Okay, and I want to check for column name. Okay, column name also. Okay, MYT company dot value is equals m field. This m field object is basically object of our column field. Okay, so we are registering this callout for value. Okay, so this will contain our object for value column. Okay, this mtab grid field is basically like have all the grid field. Okay, grid tab fields. Okay, it will contain all this field name, search key, and logos and others. Okay, this content returns our window content. Okay, suppose like we want to check user, we want to check a client or organization, it returns all the. Okay, its window number is like our window number. Okay, new value is a sorry, this value shows our uh, new value. Okay, and old value object contain old values of the field. Okay, let's check column name here. Okay, uh, okay, and I want to set m tab dot set value. Okay, I want to use column here, so I will use myp company dot name field. Okay, I want to use name field here, and I want to set new value in the name field. Okay, here I am passing returning null value. Okay, if you return any value here, suppose return any string, then it consider as a error. Okay, so our callout class looks good now. Okay, we have our business logic here. Sorry, we have our business logic and class, and we have factory here. So let's create a component definition. I basically always create one folder for my component definition. Okay, component definition is basically used to register our callout with the OSGI. Okay, it tells the server that we have one callout and register it. Okay, so let's create a OSGI dash inap folder. Okay, and create new component definition. Okay, other component definition. Here I want to give its name like my company callout. Sorry. Okay, you can give any name you want. Okay, here we can give my company callout factory. Okay, I want to keep name same as a class name. This name should be unique across the whole your project. Okay, so I always keep my callout name same as the always keep class name same as a name field. Okay, name field same as a class field. Okay, our component definition has been created. Let's add a properties which is service dot ranking. Here we can give our ranking, our callout ranking. Okay, sorry, like service dot ranking integer and value is 4. Okay, let's save it. And here we have to provide our services, okay, which is IColumnCalloutFactory. Okay, so our component definition also created. Let's check. Okay, all looks good now. Okay, our component definition added. We have to verify that our component definition is added here or not. Okay, it's look good, it register here. Okay, so let's check our column callout factory once more. Okay, so okay, let's check our classes. Okay, looks good. Let's register our let's activate our plugin. Okay, and let's start server again. Okay, debug configure. Okay, plugins, just keep selected this server.product and select this plugin. I want to disable this plugin because it also have same callouts. Okay, but using different method. Okay, start level I will keep same as default level, which is 4, and I want to auto start true, apply and click on debug. Okay, let's ignore this error for now. Click on proceed. Okay, it will take a few seconds to start the server, so let's wait for that. Okay, our server started. Let's log into the server. Okay, super user password. Okay, okay, now let's create new company. Okay, click on new. Okay, let's give our company name. I want to create a new company like YouTube. Okay, as usual we will create YouTube company here. Okay, YouTube, sorry, it's look wrong. Okay, now it's good. Okay, name looks good. I enter YouTube here. Whenever this focus lost, the name field should be populated automatic. Okay, now I'm clicking on the tenant. Okay, so you can see this tenant, you can see this name field has been populated automatic. Let's confirm if it is called and it is set by our plugin and our callouts or not. Okay, let's debug this code. Okay, let's enter search key again. I want to create new company like Google now. Okay, let's click on tenant. Okay, you can see our class has been called, and this old value this record has old value like YouTube, and new value is a Google. Okay, now you can see our callout has been called and name field has been set as per the our logic. Okay, let's return some value here and check what happens. Okay, let's write something like called and return some value. Okay, let's check what it means and how it handle in the iDempiere. Okay, let's change value again. I will create another company which is Amazon. I usually create a top level company here. Okay, Amazon. Let's click on tenant now. You can click outside anywhere. Okay, let's click outside. Okay, debug started. Let's stop our debug and click on F8. Now we can see error has been return. Okay, you can see error given. Okay, code and return summary. Okay, so like this we can create callout using IColumnCalloutFactory. Okay, and component definition. I hope you guys like the video, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, then you can subscribe it. If you have any questions related callouts, you can write in this video. Okay, you can write comment in the comment section of this video, or you can use my email. Okay, you can mail me. You can get my email address from the YouTube channel. Okay, so